video, and it's Tuesday the 3rd of September, and we're looking at the Bitcoin to start with this morning. Well, let's look at the correction today. We saw the peak here around 13.8 thereabouts. We saw an ABC A wave. We then saw a B, C, B wave, A, B, C, C wave. And on top of that, we have roughly the same time interval. I reckon this is 21 days down to that low. 20 days to this high, and 23 days to the C wave low. So I think this is the D wave. Let's have a look at the action in more detail from what I'm calling wave C. That's the 5-minute chart. So a fairly inauspicious beginning with a very, a very feeble move. About as feeble it gets, really, I guess. However, this is fairly strong, so we could have seen perhaps some kind of rather exaggerated A, B, maybe C. Maybe it's the B. It's the final C. So it doesn't look impulsive. I mean, obviously it can be. We just can't be sure about markets, but it looks like it's a corrective D wave, and it's we may well form an ABC with it, before we then see this E wave, and it could take until September, October. Sorry, it could take until the middle of October, possibly, maybe even a bit longer than that before the final low is actually in. Ethereum, I still count as a 5, although the counter is a little bit obscure. A, B, C on this log scale looks a bit more respectable. Wouldn't need too much more here to make the percentage fall of this equivalent to this. So again, a slightly clearer count here as well, in the sense that we have got possibly a 1, 2, 3, 4, and this could be a 5th wave in formation. So again, the same kind of basic issues that the correction needs to be finalised, and that lies somewhere in the future, with Bitcoin arguing for a final low mid to late October. Gold, no change of opinion. We've seen the low back in August, 1160. We've got a clear 1, 2, now 1, 2, 1 of 3, I believe, with this small correction coming in for 2 of 3, and then some kind of an increasingly strong rally. Right, the monthly chart, the 30-minute chart shows that A, B looks highly corrective. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That could be complete ABC. This looks like a B wave in development. Maybe go a bit higher. Of course, a C wave decline. So it'll be with us a bit longer, I think, but looks eminently corrective before more upside. Ditto silver, A, B, I think on a C wave decline due. On the Dow, we still have this wave 1 formation, or wave A perhaps. This could be an ABC, in fact, A, B, C with a B. Now a wave C coming in, 1, 2, 3. This could be a 4 with one more rally due, perhaps. This hasn't yet displayed really impulsive characteristics. That could take us above the 61.8% level, which is here. Of course, that does give this high here more credence, and this could be an ABC. It's just that the sell-off we've seen it isn't really doesn't really confirm that new downtrend has started. Right, we look at the S&P, same basic pattern. Had the peak around 3,000, past the decline. Now we've got this. It looks like a triangle at the moment, with a peak now in. So slight different dichotomy there. Still got this possible 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pattern. So again, we could see slightly higher prices, which would confound the bears, I suppose, at current levels. Give us one more blip up. Let's have a look at the shorter term. We do have a potential 5 waves off this peak, I guess. And then we got this 1 to the 5-minute chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then A and B, and now a C with a bit of a selling spike. We have got the holiday weekend, of course. Yesterday was Thanksgiving. Looking at the DAX, we again have 5 waves down to here. Have an A, a B. Well, it looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4 with a 5 perhaps due to complete C, with a target around this level here at 12.067. So I think a bit more upside here. It's perhaps quite likely to complete this. Once that's in place, then the markets could fall back quite sharply in the third wave decline. So what I'm saying really is that we go a bit higher, and then we go start this move down. With the expiry as a key days and sort of thing, so we have the September expiry in about 3 weeks, and we then have the October expiry about 4 weeks after that. Unfortunately, pretty much the same. We've got 5 waves down off this peak. A, B, a bit of a mess, but there's a C there, which if everything else is going to go higher, then so will FTSE. So I will be looking for a pretty important peak coming in sort of fairly imminently, really. And we'll see how that goes. I'll be monitoring that quite carefully. That's all for today. If I found it useful, back to report on Thursday morning. Have a great day, thanks for listening, and bye for now.